Let's make a jig. For this jig, I'm gonna do a bluegill jig. At least I hope it's gonna be for catching bluegills. I picked these up. These are 1/32 ounce, number 8 sickle hooks. They're, I mean, very small. Probably go smaller yet. I don't know. Get that mounted up. Then I'll be using bluegill chenille and flow green neck hackle. I've tied a couple of these up already, and it's real hard to cut my feathers real short like this. I'm also using 110 Danville's black thread because I've got black in here. I'm used to tying a little bit bigger jigs. I've already pre-cut my feathers, but you can see how small I'm cutting these feathers. And we'll just stack them as best we can. Don't want too many. These little bluegills I'm going to go after at a local pond. I have very small mouths. My normal jigs with number 4 hooks, it's just too big for them. They bite at the jigs, but I don't think they can actually swallow the hooks. Got that. Cut it to one length. Got my feathers in. Let's get the bluegill chenille. There's the end. I might actually just try catching some of these bluegills with a hook with nothing on it, but maybe a crappie nibble. Let's go back a little bit. And there we have the chenilles on. These are awful small hooks. Whip it. And then I'll finish it with a dab of hard as nails, but I don't use the brush. I use a toothpick. Get just a little drip on there. Go around. Just have to be careful not to get it in the eye of the hook. So there we have hopefully a finished bluegill jig.